5 signs your baby might be a late bloomer. In this video, we will discuss. Every child develops in a unique way. In this video, we'll discuss what it means to have a late bloomer. What does late bloomer mean? A late bloomer is a child who takes longer than others to reach developmental milestones like walking, talking, or reading. This doesn't mean there's anything wrong. Milestone charts are just guidelines. They are useful, but they're not fixed timelines. Every child is different and will grow at their own pace. How to recognize a late bloomer. 1. Not rolling over by 5 months. By 5 months, most babies begin rolling over. If your child isn't there yet, don't panic. It could be delayed. 2. Not sitting up with support by 8 months. Sitting up is a key milestone. If your baby needs more time, it's okay, but keep an eye on progress. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby developmental related videos. Please continue watching. 3. Not trying to feed themselves by age 1. Many kids experiment with self-feeding or scribbling at 1 year. If your child shows little interest, they might just need more time. 4. Not walking by 18 months. Walking is often a big milestone. Some kids walk as early as 10 months, while others take up to 18 months or a little beyond. 5. Not speaking clear words by age 2. By age 2, many toddlers begin saying simple words. It's worth paying attention if speech is delayed, but it's not always a cause for concern. Important reminders for parents. 1. Just because one child reaches milestones early doesn't mean every child will. Celebrate your child's individuality and progress. 2. Encourage your child gently, but avoid pushing them. Kids need time to grasp new skills. Pushing too hard can create stress and frustration. 3. Every child develops at a different pace. Comparing them to siblings, friends, or other children can hurt their confidence. 4. Never call your child unintelligent or slow. Negative words can harm their self-esteem and affect how they see themselves. 5. Focus on small improvements. As long as your child moves forward, even slowly, they are developing in their own time. When to consult a doctor. If your child shows no progress or has difficulty interacting, like avoiding eye contact or not responding, it's a good idea to check with a doctor. Every child's development is a unique journey. Celebrate their progress, however slow or fast, and be their biggest cheerleader.